Tecno Spark 8T is 4G ready, comes with Helio G35 gaming processor for robust usage along with DTS stereo sound effect. It comes with Turquoise Cyan and Atlantic blue colors. It has a storage capacity of 4GB RAM along with 64GB internal memory. It has a 6.6-inch FHD along with smart fingerprint sensor. It comes with face unlock with closed eye protection. It has 8-megapixel front camera with dual flash along with 50-megapixel high-resolution rear camera for extra clarity. This phone comes with HiOS 7.6 based on Android 11. Battery life comes with 5000 mAh. The box includes smartphone, power adapter, USB cable, TPU cover and SIM ejector tool. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.